Welcome to the South Surveying and Mapping channel. In this video, we introduce the point layout function of the NS30. After completing the setup, you will enter the point layout interface, where you will first see the point library interface. You can choose to add a new layout point or directly select an existing layout point from the point library. After selecting the layout point, click OK to enter the layout interface. During the layout process, you can operate through the data character. The interface will display the position of the total station and the layout point in real time. There will be an overall prompt on the left side of the screen, indicate the relative position and distance between you and the layout point, helping you to complete the layout work quickly and accurately.
As a key technical means in engineering theory, the accuracy and reliability of the layout function are of vital importance. To meet this demand, the performance of the surveying equipment must be sufficiently excellent, and the NS30 robotic total station is a perfect choice for you.